In this video, I will show you where to buy Bitcoin in Switzerland. Don't hesitate to like the video and subscribe. Here we go. So to buy Bitcoin, we will have to go through an application that will allow us to buy these Bitcoins. So I live in Switzerland and I have tested dozens of crypto applications, and frankly, the best of all is Swissborg. It is an application that is Swiss. It is a mobile application that you can download on your phone. It is really very easy to use, very intuitive. It offers the best cryptocurrency prices and also has a very high level of security. For me, it's my only crypto application that I use to buy and invest in all cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. You will find it under the video either in the description or in the first pinned comment. My affiliate link to register on Swissborg. You just have to click on it. You will be automatically redirected to the Google Play Store or the Apple Store to download the Swissborg application. And what's more, it will allow you to have a welcome bonus which will allow you to unlock a scratch card where you can win up to 100 euros. So it's really all good for you. Don't hesitate to go through this link. Once you have downloaded the app, simply open it. Registration only takes a few minutes. Once your account is validated, you will land on the Swissborg application homepage like this. The first step will be to deposit funds to be able to fund your account to buy Bitcoins. So you can just click on the plus at the top right. So you can either put money in via a debit card, a credit card, or with Apple Pay, Google Pay. This will allow you to fund your account instantly. Or you can also fund your account with a bank transfer from the bank you normally use. Or if you already have crypto, you can transfer crypto directly to Swissborg. Once your Swissborg account is funded, you will be able to click on Invest at the bottom right. So we will click on Buy Cryptos. We then see that the Bitcoin option is offered to us. We click on it. Then we have the green button at the bottom, Buy. We click on it. You can select which currency you want to exchange for Bitcoin. We will use Swiss francs since we are buying from Switzerland. Then we just have to indicate the amount of Swiss francs that we want to transform into Bitcoin. I'm going to put in 25 Swiss francs. We put next. Then we have a very transparent summary of the fees and the exchange rate. The big advantage of Swissborg is that it will really guarantee the best exchange rate to have the most Bitcoin per transaction, while guaranteeing a very high level of security, namely that all the cryptos that are on your Swissborg account belong to you at all times. And there is no risk of you losing them. Then, you just have to validate the transaction, so you click on Confirm like this. The transaction takes a few seconds to complete. And there we have it. We bought our Bitcoins. It was really very, very simple. You can then see that your Bitcoins are deposited into your wallet on Swissborg. You can send them if you want, either to someone or to an external wallet if you ever want to keep them elsewhere than Swissborg. And you can also, as you can see, automate Bitcoin investments every month or every week, etc. Simply click on New Auto Invest. So you can set every day, every week, every month a certain amount, for example, Swiss francs, to invest in Bitcoin like this. You see that it's super simple and you just have to click on Confirm. And normally every month 100 francs will be invested in Bitcoin. So there you have it. You see that the application is very simple to use. Don't hesitate. It was Gummy. Hello.